Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to watch YouTube in incognito mode on iPhone or Android in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, swipe slightly to the left. Tap on Turn on Incognito. If you're using it for the first time, a pop-up will appear showing you some information. Let me tell you what it says. Your activity will not be linked to your Google account. The videos you watch will not be saved in your history. YouTube will not track your search or watch history. If there is no activity for 90 minutes, the incognito session will end automatically. Then, tap on Got it. Now, let's search for and watch a random video. Here, I've searched for one of my own videos. To turn off incognito mode, tap on the bottom right corner again. Tap on Turn off Incognito. This way, incognito mode will be turned off. And that's it. How to watch YouTube in incognito mode on iPhone or Android. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.